there, and welcome to update number 4 of Halloween Horror Nights 29, back by popular demand, I guess. But starting off, as you see, in the New York area, the Blues Brothers show, as you also see, is just wrapping up. So Frank Sinatra is not telling us where we are because the music's off for right now. Of course, the music is always off during shows here in the New York area, so you can hear the show, but it will momentarily resume. Oops. Difference here in Zombieland double tap, is the drop tower is looking a lot more finished. Just a little bit more and it'll be finished. I assume that the seats are going to go around towards the back, but still have over a week left before preview night, and then of course 2 days later is the opening, so it'll be finished in plenty of time. Nothing particularly significant to show you over here. It will be changing very soon though. And as of now, there's nothing new to show you here in an arcade, so gonna bypass this for the most part. Well, this is an odd place for the Bluesmobile to be. Over here in Hollywood, you can see that work continues on what was Terminator 2. A little bit of patching, a new paint job. Now that I look at it, it does look pretty faded. Not bad, but faded. However, Vanity Ball, I don't see any more changes that I can speak of. I do have some more information, but it is privileged team member information, sorry. This truss is very recent. I'm not sure what it's going to be for. There's not going to be curtains because that's an entrance to a store and an exit from the horror and makeup show. Might be some lighting, maybe. But those are some lightweight bases, so it's not going to be very heavy, whatever it's going to be used for. I'm not at all saying that it's not safe. It's safe. It's just they're not going to be able to hold a lot of additional weight. Just, I don't want you to misunderstand that. Still no idea what this is going to be for. Hopefully in the next couple days I'll be able to finally tell you. I actually legitimately don't know this one. So as of now, I plan to not come back for a few more days, maybe shoot again next Thursday. I'll let you know if I alter my plans. Here in Springfield, it's not an official scare zone on the map, but every year there are hordes of chainsaw wielding scare actors in here. So my question is, did anybody hear that somewhat subtle chainsaw sound effect I put in the previous video? If you didn't, go back and see if you can find it. That's my waterfalls, great. Alright, now back to Rob Zombie's Hellbilly Deluxe. I can't believe how many things have been added to this. Every time I think it's done, it is. Trees and skeletons with glasses. Lots of barrels, and now they have doors over here. Looks like a really tiny umbrella holder. These are pretty awesome too, gears. And some more artwork, which is also really cool. Now I'm guessing that this is going to be a UV light, that the scare actors are going to be wearing UV reactant clothing. It's also 3 projectors up there. I don't think they're going to be doing projection mapping, being that it's so close, but we'll see. And there's a skeleton wearing a skull mask, which is interesting, sitting on a drum throne for some reason. I know, it's a scare zone based on an album, but still. And these skulls look really cool. I already showed you the projectors. And whatever this is going to be, given that it's black, it's probably just some sort of equipment, but maybe not. We'll find out on opening night. And this artwork in the coffin is pretty cool. Over here, more has been added to this decoration. And somebody posted a picture of this tarp. They just pulled it down and took a picture of what's underneath. Don't do that. Oh, these skulls are pretty cool. Now I said we'll find out on opening night. I'm going to actually find out 2 nights before for preview night. I'm going to be taking a lot of notes, but I won't be able to record anything or release any information until the event actually opens. Just looking up there and seeing those tombstones, I guess. But I will be, again, taking detailed notes so I can talk about the scare zones and just houses in the event in general. Please do not climb on the stage sign is gone, but there are now barricades. And we can see that there is an electric chair, not surprisingly. And that, what I said before, looked like a fog machine. Nailed it. This is my 10th Halloween Horror Nights after all. So nice fog effect for old Sparky there. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? I know it's a box, but those are bags. Thumbnail time. Again, I will be coming back here on preview night, taking notes, and I'll be here for opening night of Halloween Horror Nights 29, and probably we're going to review it at home on my Brady Paws channel. I hope you enjoyed this update. It's as much as I can show you and tell you about. Oh, wait a minute. Well, Bono might not have found what he's looking for, but I have found what I'm looking for. These are for fuel. Fuel for what, Dave? For these, which are going to shoot giant flames up and look really awesome. Alright, try that again. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. One more trip to New York because I want to show you something. This truck has no engine. Ha, I wonder if that's even real or a prop. If it is real, very fitting.